Let us see one more question from exercise number 2.2, that is question number 11. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? Here no one's age is given, but they have given the relationship among father age or Baichung's father as well as Baichung as well as grandfather age. Relation is given and addition of all the ages is given as 135 years. This is the information. If you know what are the ages of those three persons, by adding them only you will get 135. And in the question, what is the age of each one of them? Here three persons age we have to find, but reference is what, that only we have to find out. Whose age we have to take it as X, that we have to know. So here reference we can take Baichung as reference. For example, you can see that here is the person Baichung father, next grandfather. See, father, Baichung's father age is more than Baichung only, and Baichung's grandfather age is more than Baichung's father age. So Baichung, his father and his grandfather. Now coming to the question, for example, if you are assuming the Baichung age as X, now you see Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. That means Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. From this line, Baichung's father 29 years older than Baichung. That means 29 years older. So if Baichung age is X means 29 years more. So father age will be X plus 29. 29 years more. Older means more. Next. Now what is the relationship between Baichung's grandfather and father? Here Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Grandfather age minus 26 will give Baichung. So here Baichung grandfather is 26, Baichung's father is 26 younger means Baichung's grandfather is 26 years more than Baichung's father. So comparing to father's age is 26 years more. So X plus 29 plus 26. Once again I am telling you, if Baichung's age is X, now from this line Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. That means Baichung's age plus 29. Now from this line Baichung's father is 26 years younger means Baichung's grandfather is 26 years more than Baichung's father. So Baichung's father is X plus 29. 26 years more than father means, so father's age plus 26. This is the age of the grandfather. So let Baichung's age be X years. Baichung's father age will be X plus 29 years. Now Baichung's grandfather age will be X plus 29 plus 26. So plus 29 plus 26 is nothing but 55 only. So X plus 55 is the age of the grandfather. Now after getting the ages of all the three in terms of X, coming to this condition, sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. That means addition of all the three persons ages. So given that sum of the ages of all the three is equal to 135 years. First person age is X. Second person age is X plus 29. Third person age is X plus 55. So sum means addition plus first person age plus second person age plus third person age will give 135. 1x plus 1x is 2x plus 1x is 3x. 29 plus 55 is nothing but 84 is equal to 135 plus 84 is transposed to RHS. It will become as minus 84. 135 minus 84 will give 51. 3x is as usual. 3x can be written as 3 into x. When 3 is transposed to RHS, it will divide 51. So 51 divided by 3. 3 1 time, 3 17 times. 17 divided by 1 is nothing but 17. So x equal to 17. We assumed x is nothing but Baichung's age. Here in this question they are asking us to find out the ages of each and every person. So Baichung's age is what, his father age is what, his grandfather age is what. These are the three things we wanted to know. If you know x only, then we can find out all the ages. So here you got the x value as 7. So Baichung's age, we assumed it as x. So Baichung's age equal to x equal to 17 years. Now father age is x plus 29. So Baichung's father's age is x plus 29. X value is 17 plus 29, that is nothing but 46 years. Now Baichung's grandfather age is x plus 55. So x value plus 55, x is 17 plus 55, that is 72 years. Now if your answer is correct or not, checking process. You can see that Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Comparing to grandfather, father age is 26 years younger. So 72 minus 26 will give 46 only. Next, Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. Comparing to Baichung, 29 years more. Who is having 29 years more? Father. 17 plus 29 will give 46. First condition satisfied. Next, sum of the ages of all the three is 135. By adding all the three persons' age, you will get 135. Let us see. First person age is 17. Next person age is 46. Grandfather age is 72. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 7, 15. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 7, 13, 135. So addition of all the three persons' age is 135. So our problem is over.